To buy AIMERICA, the AIMERICA token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now to be able to buy this token, make sure to check the Lex account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Just keep following them and follow the updates about this token. To be able to buy this token, just go and open CoinMarketCap and find this token that's called AIMERICA. Now after that, in contract, just copy the token address and make sure that this token address is under Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet and log into your account. Now after that, click on solve from here and make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, now this is our token AIMERICA. Now click on it and here enter how much you want to buy, for example 1 Solana, and this is how much you will receive of that token. From here, just select the provider, for example Jupiter. Now make sure to read all of this information from here, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. Now if you face any issues on buying process, just go back to this page and now switch the slip hash from here to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the AIMERICA token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.